2, 1, go. Match 58 is underway. We have the insert name from Arab, GL Robotics from Chickamauga, Georgia. Excellent. There's the purple already emptied. Here goes blue on down the slide. I love it at the very top. On the slide. There goes another purple wheel deal here. Excellent. We've come to the driver's switch. Driver's switch. Driver's switch. Purple clear, blue clear. Got 2 dispensers left. One's going for blue, one's going for yellow. Less than 20 seconds. There's blue, there's yellow. Shooting the disc across in scoring zone. Let's see. All of them have been dispensed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.